We had a clear success statement for the project. For everyone to close their laptop on Friday night, go home, come back into the new office on Monday, open the laptop and everything just works. The Australian Financial Complaints Authority is the combination of 3 ombudsman schemes that were merged together. We had a rapid growth from 300 staff to 800 staff over a really short period of time. We'd outgrown our accommodation in both Melbourne and Sydney. The decision was made to bring the organisation together, to create a corporate premise, to bring our teams together to work collaboratively. We wanted to move away from traditional workspaces where people had assigned desks, and for people to work in neighbourhoods and give them flexibility to work where they needed to each day. This was really important and part of our cultural shift to adapt to the future change of the organisation. As we're moving to brand new offices in both Melbourne and Sydney, we wanted to start afresh with our network architecture. The Logicalis solution was based on Cisco, and it covered everything from the front door to the back door, including wireless access, switching, routing, firewalls, and everything in between.
Security is paramount for AFCA, and the solution Logicalis and Cisco provided has substantially mitigated security risk for the business and included Cisco Catalyst Edge switches, Cisco Firepower firewalls, threat intelligence, and Cisco Stealth Watch to ensure we deliver a secure server environment. We also used Cisco Wi-Fi access points and controllers because we wanted the team to have full Wi-Fi coverage. Whether they were in the lunchroom or moving from place to place, we didn't want anyone's laptop dropping out or delivering a subpar performance. Logicalis also provided the AV equipment in the meeting rooms to enable collaboration using video conferencing and Microsoft Teams.
Logicalis talks about being the architects of change, and that's exactly what AFCA needed. We wanted a seamless transition from the old offices to the new offices, and to ensure that our employees weren't disrupted.
It was about ensuring that people would have a good experience when they came back into the office. This meant we needed a provider that could implement all the technology in a reliable way that worked for AFCA.
We received a number of RFP responses. However, Logicalis and Cisco built the entire solution on taking the pain away, implementing and focusing on change management. Logicalis helped develop and execute the change management plan, which was highly detailed and a key part to the success of the overall implementation. This included everything from keeping the staff members updated on the fit out of the new offices and making sure people felt comfortable with the new solutions as they were introduced.
It's all about stability and security, with the system working seamlessly. Ultimately, that's what we were looking for. It doesn't matter whether someone is in a meeting room, a common area, or at their desk, the technology just works.
Partnering with Logicalis and Cisco was a huge benefit. We had someone we could rely on heavily to deliver the project, and Logicalis' approach meant AFCA was included in every step of the way. Our staff knew exactly what technology was coming and how to use it when they got there. I guess that's why they call themselves the architects of change.
So if there's no noise from people, if there's just silence, then we know it's because they're getting on with their work. And that's what we achieved with this project. It was well designed, well implemented, and as a result of the change management program, it was well executed and adopted.